I think that's the end of our Mercedes. Sorry, guys. Made it back to the workshop.
We're back in the workshop.
Fortunately, not far away.
Oh my God, this morning I had a text message from your mum going, help, and I'm like, on the phone, what's going on? What's wrong, Mandy? T-boned.
Not the steak.
Not the steak either, not the steak. So Lewis dashed off to his mum's assistance and I came down to the workshop. That's why I look like I've been dragged out of a hedge.
I briefly popped back to grab a crowbar to bend the wheel arch back into some of that's really strong in there. The inner wing has unfortunately taken a lot of punishment.
I also came to the workshop to get pry bars and things and they were all gone. I'm like, oh my God, where are they gone? I've also had about 10 coffees. So
she's buzzing. I'm still in like
shock. It's all right though, it's all right.
Everybody's is okay.
Fine. Yes.
No injuries at all. The other lady was quite shaken up. My mum's fine.
But the cars did their jobs. They protected everybody.
Yeah.
And unfortunately...
Do you know, we've lost 2 190Es within
in the past
2
weeks. Yeah.
Unfortunately, a friend of ours had a workshop fire and we had a car in his workshop. Gone. Long gone.
The fire was so bad it melted the wheels.
Yeah, three-piece...
No, three-spoke.
Three-spoke retro alloys, and it had a retro body kit on it. It was a bit gash, but it was still a 190. It was pretty cool in its own way.
It's not cool anymore.
No,
quite the opposite.
Got a bit melty. So that one gone, and now unfortunately, I think the old car's a bit too far.
We're going to go.
Annoyingly as well.
Go on.
I've made an entire video on cleaning and how to keep your classic car safe for winter, which I haven't released yet. And now that car's...
Well, it can still go out.
It can still go out. Let us know if you want to see that video.
I think when we go and have a poke around underneath, we're going to see if it's a write-off or not.
Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Let's go and have a look.
The lady apparently didn't stop at the junction. You okay? Yeah. Yeah.
Just didn't stop.
It's a beautiful
car. She is so pretty. Well, I'm pretty.
I'll take you home in a sec.
We are on. You can see the impact damage there.
Ta-da.
I mean,
impact damage.
It hit the car so hard it pushed it across the road.
It did. It punted. Looks like it punted here, spun the car into the other side of the road and then ended up here. So we've missed the wheel, but unfortunately this was such a hard impact that all the sealer, some of the sealer around the suspension turret is cracked, which means it's moved.
Steering geometry's gone.
Yeah.
We've got creases down the inner wing as well, and that's thick metal.
It's really hard actually. There's a post behind here, some of the inner wing, and it just...
Yeah.
I was in there with a pry bar. I was about to change the tyre. It was so strong.
I mean, the bumper's gone as well. Obviously, the insurance assessor's going to have to come out and look at it, but my gut feeling is I'm afraid it's a write-off.
Everything's repairable, but when suspension stuff starts moving, it becomes a lot more tricky. This car is unfortunately, it's a lovely example of this car. As you all know, we got this from Tim.
I know it's lovely, and Tim has regretted selling it.
Yeah, Tim has struggled to replace this car because it's that nice,
He's going to be upset. We'll have to give him a ring.
I've already told him.
Have you told him?
Yeah.
Is he all right?
He's okay.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
But no.
I'm surprised the window didn't break because that has pushed right in. Must be putting a lot of tension on the window. The gap here has opened up. This gap has opened up, which tells me something. But then that could just be because of all that material's gone in and it's had to pull.
Do you think it's missed the A-pillar completely then?
I think it's missed the A-pillar completely. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's hit the front. It's hit the front there and then
spun it a bit and swiped
shunted the car across, and then this is the second impact then. I bet with a sucker that would pull out.
Oh
Not
dear.
that I'm going to do that. Do you reckon the door still opens?
Give it a go. What's the worst that could happen? still opens.
Still opens.
It still opens. Anything on the sill? Didn't hit that low.
No, it's all clean. It's fine. Door still opens. That's a good sign, eh?
Oh, door card.
They've always been dodgy.
They've always been dodgy.
190 door cards, guys. Am I right? If you know about that.
But, you know,
Terrible
testament to your classic Merc, it has, you know, done its job, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Mum didn't get injured, and
So we've cleared up the road. We're just waiting on the police now to come over and make sure everyone's okay. Everyone is okay. My mum's still fine, and so is the other lady. Yeah.
so if we have a closer look at what's happened, obviously you can see the headlight is in bits. Look, completely
Yeah.
smashed up.
Smashed to pieces. Obviously, that piece of the inner wing is really creased up. The sealer's cracked there and there, which tells everybody that there's a lot of movement has happened, unfortunately, in this very important area.
It's
the
very
chassis
important.
leg, however, is beautifully straight. The bumper iron is even intact because the impact just started just past the bumper iron. The headlights obviously not savable unless you've got all the bits and a tube of super glue.
That's not a jigsaw I'd like to do.
Actually, I cut my fingers to pieces picking up all the glass off the
no.
floor.
Silly.
Yeah.
But when you get damage in areas like this in a car of this age, unfortunately, insurance companies write them off.
They do. They get written off. Classic cars get written off
Yep.
so easily because
They
they're
do.
just not. They're not worth the money of fixing them back up. Although this car is exceptionally nice, and it is exceptionally nice. That's why we got it from Tim because
Yeah.
it was so exceptional. And I think we paid a little for a 190. We paid good, strong money for it because it's such a nice history and
Looked after.
looked
yeah.
after so well.
But unfortunately, these things happen. The car did its job. It protected your mum. And we just need to replace it with something equally as cool. Now, Mandy does like a bit of street cred with her cars. And
The other car that we're thinking of probably resurrecting for summer will be the Supra. She has a Mark III Supra.
yeah.
So we'll maybe do a video on getting that back up onto the road. It needs an exhaust as far as I'm concerned. And
But if the guys have got any suggestions at home, put them in the comments.
yeah,
Maybe something cool,
Well,
automatic.
I mean, it doesn't get much cooler than Mark III Supra, does
Well, no, I suppose not.
it? Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Well then guys, we've got some more clearance on the wheel. Pried at it a load with a pry bar. We're going to try and get it back to the workshop. Fortunately, it was just in the village of Herod and we are probably a mile up the road. Less than, a few hundred yards. Hopefully we'll make it. You can see the pry bar marks from me trying to pull this wing out. And in there's... You can focus
Oh
on-
no! Look, there is a bit of damage on the trim. Maybe
That
it
looks
did
old.
hit. Did it? Ow!
Anyway, in there's some very, very strong metal. We got enough clearance to
Get it
enable
back
us
to
to
the
drive
workshop.
the car back to the workshop, and there was a couple of over a big bump. There was a buzz here and there. That's broken to pieces there as well. That's interesting.
I'm sure we'll find lots of things if we start digging.
That's moved.
The bonnet hinge has moved. Interesting. Anyway, guys, we'll let you know the outcome of what's happening and if we need to look for a replacement or whatnot, or if it gets taken away to the scrapyard in the sky. We've lost two 190s in the matter of 2 weeks.
Well,
But these things happen. As long
two
as
down, one to go.
don't say things like that.
The last one is a Coswoth, so maybe we won't. So
We're not bringing the cosy out. We're not bringing this. It's not safe.
It's not safe.
Right, guys, thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, not the bearer of good news this week, but we are very busy working on lots of projects in the workshop.
Doing a video on it. Sorry.
Chaos is content.